Your smart appliances are subjecting you to a ton of wireless energy that has been proven to have a negative biological effect. Now, I have a completely EMF-free home, and by mistake, by surprise, when I replaced my LG appliances to fit on these pedestals behind me, I found out that they were smart appliances and always subjecting me to harmful Wi-Fi energy. And so we called the company, we attempted through the app to disable the Wi-Fi, but it was impossible. You know, when I first put up the video showing how surprised I was that I had actually put a smart device into my home, I couldn't believe how many people messaged me, commented, how many DMs and emails I got saying, oh no, the same thing is happening to me and I don't know what to do. With these LG washers and dryers, like many other smart appliances, via the app, you cannot disable it. So you have to go in manually and take it apart. But then you know for sure that it's never going to turn on, you're never going to be tracked, and you're never going to be exposed to the EMF radiation that's completely unnecessary to do your laundry. I'm so happy. Have you ever done this before?
Oh.
And unplugged Wi-Fi for other...
This is my first time.
So today we're taking apart our appliances and we're going to help you identify where the Wi-Fi module is so you can disconnect it just like we're doing, and hopefully, cross our fingers, our appliances will still work.
Okay.
Now we'll need meters to find it.
So before it said Wi-Fi module, like it might be right here. That might be it.
Like.
It was blue wire before, but you could see it was printed up. It said Wi-Fi.
Meter can help too. So
it's not
the
here.
Wi-Fi is here.
Yeah.
Is this called the motherboard? What do they call this?
Circuit board,
Circuit board? What's a motherboard?
It's a big circuit board.
It's a big circuit board. Okay, is that big?
Yeah.
So Wi-Fi is in here somewhere. Oh my goodness.
I'm just, oh, there we go. Oh, now there, see?
Oh, see? Yes. Great.
Look at that.
So glad we hired a professional. We would be awesome. Try this. Okay. Oh, yeah.
Jeez, look at that. There it is.
Major.
Can you see anything that says Wi-Fi right there? Like might be this thing.
Imagine
right
it's on that chip. Oh, look. It's not here. Something here. Or here. But not here. That's not it. Okay, we've eliminated one possibility. It could just be that chip. I wonder if that chip just comes out, if we'll ruin the whole thing if we take out that chip.
Try it now.
So now let's see if we get anything. Brilliant.
No. Will the dryer still work? It's going to work?
Yeah, yeah.
I mean, will the dryer still work? Oh,
yes.
Wow.
Okay.
That's
Magic.
Amazing. Thank you.
This is my board.
All that causing all those problems for me. So I actually couldn't do laundry.
There it is. Yeah, look, same one too.
Oh, there we go. Okay, it takes a moment. There we go. Watch this. Ah, relief. Thank you. Thank you. This is awesome. Perfect. And now I'm going to see if it washes and dries. And I want you to see this in this big. That was our max level, 137,000 microwatts per square meter. That's very high.
As much as a smartphone, would you say?
Yes, yes. It's like having a smartphone fill your laundry room when you don't even have it on. Now we're back into the safe zone, and this safe zone is determined by a report from what was called the Bioinitiative Report many years ago. And these lights, these LED lights, indicate what you'd really like to have for a safe sleeping area. And both the building biologists and the Bioinitiative Report agree, and so do I, that this level feels awesome. This is going to be something that many people will feel is important for the health of their family and also for their privacy. Do you know that when we signed up, LG wanted our precise location? Why? Why does it need to know where in my home my washer and dryer is in order to get diagnostics? It doesn't need to know. But this is the kind of information that so many smart devices are taking. I think they're going to work. We're told that they're still going to work, so I'm going to pop this in and put it on speed drive so it gets nice and warm and see what happens. Okay, it sounds like it's working. It looks like it's working. And in a moment, I'll pull it out and see if it's warm. Oh, no, it's a little bit warmer. Oh, yay! Just for fun. Let's see how these do. Okay, watch this, guys. Reset. Okay, we're down to beautifully nothing. Over here, too. Where that antenna was, which was right up here. Doesn't that feel great? Oh, that's amazing. That's beautiful. So here we are. I'm super safe. Thank you because of you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm so excited. So we're back to the safe zone. We are Wi-Fi free, as washing and drying was intended to be. A washer that washes, a dryer that dries. So it's unfortunate that we have to do things like this, take apart the washer and dryer, but I know we can work around a lot of the wireless in our lives. Wire up whenever you can. Turn off your devices whenever you can. You don't have to be exposed to the privacy issues and the health effects of electromagnetic field exposure, because it's real. I've got lots of research. I'll link it below. And also, please like, subscribe, and sign up for my email. And you can learn about all the other solutions and ideas that we have to help you live safer and healthier in our digital age. I'm Brice. Be well.